Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of mechatronics and automation. In the previous lecture series video, I have introduced what is mechatronics and various components of mechatronics and what is system, then how we make a connected systems in mechatronics. And of course, the advantages, disadvantages and applications of mechatronics we have discussed in the previous lecture series video. So in this lecture series video, as a continuation of that, we are going to discuss about the control systems and the types of control systems, then how the control functions can be enabled in the mechatronic system. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the control system. So control means anything, if you take any system, it has input and output. The system is used to convert one form of input into another form. But in between, many control functions are there to make conversion of the system. So let us discuss what are all the control functions in the control system. I am Dr. J.Yokesh, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering. In this video, I'm going to in detail about all the things. So here I have listed a few examples of the control system. So let us take first example, central heating system that is used to control the temperature to certain value. Especially in cold countries, we might have noticed that the temperature uh, low, always in the lower, which is less than the human comfort temperature. So for that, we have to maintain the room temperature or slightly above the room temperature for the human convenience. For that, we are using a central heating system, which is used to control the temperature. Here, the parameter we are going to control is temperature, and the system is heating coil, uh, and the controller which is used to maintain the temperature is temperature control. Here we are going to control some variable to a particular value. The variable, as I told you earlier, it is the temperature. Then the second example, uh, domestic washing machine. So here we are not going to control variables. Here we are going to control the uh, events or the sequence of the events. Say for example, water inlet. Then after water filling into a washing machine to a certain level, we have a washing cycle. So after that, the next event is a rinsing cycle, then twisting cycle. So these events are sequenced according to the requirement and the cloth type of the cloth and the temperature conditions. So this is the control system which is used for controlling the sequence of events. Then the third example, uh, safety lock, which operates only the guard is present. So we have a lot of wallets and uh, several boxes, safety boxes are there. In that, safety lock is always provided with the wallet, safeguard the things inside the box. Here we are going to control the event whether it is occurred or not. So one something is happened, then as a continuation of this, other thing will happen. So here I have depicted a flow chart. Uh, we have a system which has input and output. The system is operated by taking the input and it is converted into a suitable form of output. But the output is in the correct manner or not, that can be evaluated based on the feedback measuring devices. So the feedback can be compared with the input. So based on the feedback, the input can be varied so that the output is the function of the input. The output is also controlled. So these are all the references for my presentation. First reference is Mechatronics by W. Bolton, published by Pearson Education in the year of 1999. And the second reference is Mechatronics by Bradley, published by Chapman and Hall in the year of 1993. So in this video, we have discussed about control system and how it is controlling the input into out, converting the input into output, and what are all the parameters we need to control. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.